nouns. In English, there are some nouns that can be confusing for people from other languages who do not have something that we have in English, which are called non-count nouns. Non-count nouns are nouns that we use for items we can't really count, like water. We might say a bottle of water, or we might say a cup of water. But the count item there is the cup or the bottle. We might say like a cup of coffee, 2 cups of coffee, and the count noun there is again the word cup, not the word coffee. So anything that's made with liquid would be non-count. Coffee, water, milk, lemonade, whatever. Anything that has liquid in it, anything that has water in it would be non-count. That's mostly made with water. Tea is non-count. Iced tea is non-count. The confusing thing with us Americans, though, is we don't follow correct rules of grammar when we're talking in everyday English. I'll give you an example. Coffee, I love to drink coffee. I have a cup of coffee every morning. First thing when I get up, I need my coffee. Love, love, love to have my coffee. Now, I should say a cup of coffee, but sometimes I go to a coffee shop and I'll say, I'd like a large coffee. I don't say cup of. I'll say a large coffee, like that, or like a large decaf. And I just leave some words out. Every American does that. So yes, I'm an English teacher. Yes, I teach English grammar. But when I'm out there in everyday world, out there somewhere, I talk like an American with other Americans. So I'll go to a coffee shop and say a large coffee or a large decaf, like that, because we like to make things short and quick, and we'll just eliminate words, not speak a whole sentence. But technically, coffee is a non-count noun. So I should say a cup of coffee, a bottle of water. Other items that are non-count would be things that we just think of them as being too small to count, such as beans. Now I could say 1 bean, 2 beans. We usually say beans, some beans, because I mean, who eats 1 bean, right? More specifically, where I had it right here, corn would be non-count. So it's right over here. Ta-da! Corn is non-count. So we say can of corn, some corn, an ear of corn, because it's on that ear, like that, which we don't have right now because it's winter time. I love to eat that. Some other items that would be non-count could be like tea. See, this is a can of spicy chai tea latte mix. So tea would be another item that would be non-count. Cup of tea, a pot of tea, things like that. But let's say some tea, a lot of tea, some coffee, a lot of coffee. I don't drink a lot of coffee, I just drink a coffee. Well, wait, should be a cup of coffee? But I said a coffee. I drink a coffee every day. Like I said, Americans, I go to a coffee shop and say a large coffee, a decaf, even though I should say a cup of. So the point of my video is to say that there is correct grammar that you'll learn in the books, in your English language books, and then there's how us Americans sound when we're talking too fast and we want to leave words out.